people. So, like I said, I've been making these audio messages or video messages for friends who I feel have really kind of left an impression in my mind. So, when I was in the sixth standard, from the sixth, or then in the 10th standard we had this school captain, who became the head girl in the 12th standard, and her name was Sonal Surana. Here, it's in my life, like I've never really had any celebrity crush except for Sonal Surana, who was she was actually a classmate's sister, elder sister, but maybe because she was the head girl, and this was at St. Anne Sikandrabad. So I mean, especially when you're in school, you tend to look at these school, they are called school VIPs, the whatever, the head girl, the I was a school secretary in my time when I was in the 10th standard, but Sonal Surana was the school head girl, and of course they've been so many head girls and so many it's like as a school secretary also, there were other people who get that post. But for me, what stood out about Sonal Surana is that despite she is stunning to look at, like stunning, like Marwadis, na, that community is a good looking race, good looking people. So at the same time she's so down to earth, I mean, and good natured. Now most people, one of the three categories, they don't quite make the cut. I mean, it's like there might be good looking people but who are not too intelligent, or intelligent people who are not too good natured, but to find a person with all three, good looking, good natured, and very very easy to get along with, that for me is the definition of Sonal Surana. So I know I sound like one fan kid, but that's just how it was, and so much so it's like I would literally like I have this vision diary, like things that I aspire for, like I kind of take a in a magazine also, if you see some nice a picture of say mountains things, so I would take a picture of it and put it in my vision diary. So believe it or not, I actually, even Sonal Surana's some of her photos, I was like, I want to be like this. I want to be good natured, good looking, and be like super intelligent. So I know this video is going all over the place, but seriously, Sonal, I mean, it's thank you for being so inspiring, and like I follow Bhagyeshri ma'am on Instagram, Bhagyeshri, the actress, and in one of her pictures she looks just like Sonal Surana, so what I realize is sometimes I think if you I think that's what, no, maybe it's a Marwadi connection thing, but so I just realized that if I also aspire to be as nice as Sonal Surana, it is possible to achieve that level of cuteness. So really, people, I think it's important to use this lockdown period to thank people who made a difference, because life is short. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.